Bird is making a very strange noise. Oh my gosh, what is it up there? Come back, I think it's a bald eagle. Okay, that's another one. Huh. Really hard to see him, isn't it? Really hard to see him, isn't it? Really hard to see him, isn't it? There's two of them up there. They're making this sound. It sounded like a frog starting, but it also sort of sounded like a bird, and it was over the woods, and then it was quite close here. I wonder if it's going to circle around at all. They can fly a lot faster than I can run to see it. If I could drive. If it's following a road, which of course it won't be. It's going overland. Isn't that interesting? Have you ever heard that sound before? It's almost like the sound of a raven. That's a raven. But this didn't sound like that. I guess I should look up bald eagle mating call. So there were two of them. That was the first. Never saw anything like that before. You saw it here last. Now I gotta do more research. Can you check that out for me? I'm not near my computer. It sure saves me time when you guys check things out. I'm very busy, you know. When I'm on the computer, I've got so many things I need to do. Everything is of such importance.